I'm making a temperature sensitive probe with the help of a copper tube here, and here's the hole in the tube. I can hang it in a pan with water, that's the aim, and I want to keep the water precisely on, say, 70 degrees or 80 degrees, so that it does not start to boil. So I'm gonna make a temperature sensitive electronic circuit that switches that heater on and off in such a way that I have 80 degrees in the water bath, the water pan. And I use a temperature dependent resistor here, and I'm gonna lower it down into that tube to this point, and I've made it in such a way, simple copper piece of copper folded at the end and soldered with a high heat 100-watt soldering iron, and that's good enough. Of course you can solder it with a gas torch, also no problem, but when I heat it enough, I'm sure all the solder is going to melt, and then the whole thing is done. So I'm gonna mount this temperature dependent resistor here, and of course it needs very proper isolation. The wires here, both wires here, need proper isolation. There must be no shortcut. And finally I'm gonna fill the tube with resin or perhaps some silicone kit. I'm not sure about it at the moment. And when I have the complete circuit, I will publish this on YouTube. So thanks for watching.